That one. Does it open its mouth?
Does it make a monkey noise when you get sick?
No, it's got a little thing that you touch and it makes a noise. No, I've got a horse, that was it.
Can you not touch?
Neigh horse. It's hung like a stallion.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
You filmed
on YouTube, isn't it?
you're filming Elmo talking about what he puts his penis into.
Your mum's ass.
That's not funny. Because I know your girlfriend and she likes me, clearly. Just like me.
She likes what?
Me?
Yeah. I can't. Who doesn't like each other?
My own mother.
Lots of men in Christendom.
Christendom? I've never even been there.
God, look at him. Why are you doing this now? This is annoying. Let's play some chocolate dogs. DJ is fun.
I think the amount of engineering that's gone into those rabbits is amazing.
I didn't know that the actual ears twitch.
Really, do they?
Well, some of them do. It's still filming.
No. Yeah.
What's that big light? It's still going.
I know.
I thought you said to stop doing.
I was lying. People do occasionally lie in life.
What's the race?
Can't be pocket full and there's 3 centimetres in the light. That is incredible, isn't it?
What?
And then scoots. Stop this now! Seriously, why are you doing this?